Have you ever wondered what truly makes an agreement legally binding, giving it the weight of law? At its heart, a contract becomes legally binding when 6 fundamental elements are present: an offer, acceptance, consideration, mutual intent to be bound, legal capacity of the parties, and a legal purpose. When these components align, you have a solid, enforceable agreement. Let's break down why each of these is crucial. First, an offer is a clear proposal from one party to another, outlining specific terms. This isn't just a casual suggestion. It needs to show a serious intention to be bound. Second, acceptance occurs when the receiving party unequivocally agrees to all the terms of that offer. If they change anything, it becomes a counteroffer, not an acceptance. Third, consideration refers to the exchange of something valuable between the parties. This can be money, goods, services, a promise to do something, or even a promise not to do something. It is the core bargain that makes the contract fair in the eyes of the law. Fourth, mutual intent to be bound means both parties genuinely intend for their agreement to have legal consequences and be enforceable in a court of law, not just a friendly understanding. Fifth, legal capacity ensures that all individuals entering the contract are competent to do so. This means they must be of legal age, typically 18 years old, and of sound mind, not under duress or undue influence. Finally, the contract must have a legal purpose, meaning its objective must be lawful and not against public policy. An agreement to commit an illegal act, for example, can never be a valid contract. Understanding these elements allows you to structure your business agreements with confidence. When creating any agreement, always ensure these core components are explicitly addressed. Document the offer and acceptance clearly. Specify what each party is giving and receiving as consideration, and confirm that everyone involved understands the legal implications. Sometimes, seeking professional review for more complex agreements can provide an extra layer of assurance. An interesting nuance in contract law is the concept of a meeting of the minds, which directly relates to the offer and acceptance. It means both parties understand and agree to the same terms, conditions, and subject matter. Without this shared understanding, the agreement could be invalidated. You might also encounter terms like express contract, where terms are clearly stated, versus an implied contract, which is inferred from the actions of the parties. By diligently incorporating these foundational principles into all your business dealings, you are not just making agreements. You are building robust, legally defensible frameworks that protect your ventures and foster stable, predictable partnerships. This knowledge is an invaluable asset for any entrepreneur aiming for long-term success.